ede kakra esoso echre emfaso a sa petroleum hub ya mampani na nadu danko akufo de aso aba bebo fomo a wodo eba pe no ato emantem no ede ebebre omayi aban yi eni emu adehye nyina no obobo so kakra ede kire yen.
The Petroleum Hub project gives me hope for Ghana's oil and gas industry because it will anchor all we have done for the sector in the last few years. In those last few years, we have introduced the Goals for Oil program to reduce fuel prices at the pump. The Central Oil Refinery has been constructed to increase local refining capacity under our One District, One Factory program. We have deployed various technologies to enhance fuel quality and revenue assurance in the fuel supply chain, altogether enhancing fuel integrity, transparency, and accountability. We have improved the storage and distribution of petroleum products with the recently repaired Tema-Akosombo pipeline, which will enhance the interdepot transfer of petroleum products.
Abzanfonti we so afo show me ya ho ne de ho nsensem yura hebet krapa na yetene nkanwa na ocheche nsemum de ache na pane kwankyerefo a sa petroleum hub aye ka ne ho asem ya wo mo eba bebia noi woda no se CEO yura Charles Ousu esoso ene amansa de nkomo kakra echirichire mu mfaso a ene mfaso pewa ebe free se dwumadi we mo aba ama adehye wato emantema mebia ka adehye wo mayi mu nyina.
The Sompa project is envisioned to be a game changer in providing jobs, promoting technological transfer, and positioning Ghana as a center for refining and trading of petroleum and petrochemical products and services, thus equally balancing objectives for economic growth, environmental management, and human capital development. The journey to this day has not been easy, but with hard work, patience, zeal for success, and effective collaborations, we are all gathered here to be part of this momentous event.
I was on for way a penny Charles so one penny quanche for Eda Petroleum Hub Development and not a war or May Muntena Mamma Penny and Adu Danko Kufado a day I saw a cocobo form ya and penning for Babe Chasse Eddie Hunjuma a bear $12 billion and I'm penning for Eddie Remoato Mantemo.
Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana ye 20 kana se sitag wone asoya sharp ade ni nyuma won samso afai finance ministry ene asoya ashoma Ghana nwoma so won samso akwatena se ahia enhyiamo die na kire no won de atena pa makomako enum ena ababato monten so ye krata ya afenum yenu won monsa ahyase na yewura Ignatius Bafo wa wono ena gina mu san ye de ma asoya shop ade ni nyuma ho ensamso afai woko sitag won monso asoya nso a National Trustee Yera Maxwell bunu wono ena nensa ahyakrata aseya atena pa ye num afenum yenu nyina won magia tumu ahwase wobatumi dia ye atuma amano ayeje na abra won mokotena se no yenye nim se sitag won mokọ strike be se June bosumi mu na won mote atua e waban no so na efakase no wagina de kana se condition of service ho nsensem na abra won mokotena se no afenu na giatum sa enei sane aban no tena se na woyede masuapon awodo no won bara Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana woman so yabaya sa pepe ediama wonom afei Ghana ban agya tum se sa akatua won sansam ne condition of service na allowance ne ade no won ba so nyame ya dom a October bosome no na ban de bedi djuma na nokura no won ba san so aton sa de afra afanu na won nyina tena se ahwe se ne ho hyehyeye ebese bia ko ade afa afei Ghana ban ahye sitagese se won mo pese nyame ya dom a July bosome no a akatua ne kamuo no aban betua akatua de ama won frenchim dia ene na strike no a won frɛ ye se wonya de ombakwa adwuma na won makwa ye adwuma biemo no won se ne kyerɛ yata strike no won de beba awieye aka wo bi amene sitagage atum ya won ma hye aban ne bo se enton kopim nyame ya dom a wo china wasana bosom da to so aduonu dia strike no hwe be wobetum dia bana wie na fei aban na gina ye ya wasie dia fa won makatua July dia ya kamu no watumi ade ama wonom na ebranche ase apam ni nyina da ko na wie ya na sempo ni nyina tumi si peye na wie mu die no wakasamafo adema sitag Dr. Dominic Owusu wano ana hwa na nsamtrofo ekasa ya wacho se enai ni na won mo hwa no won betumi aka na ma kire sa dodo no ade won sa atumi aka pa na ade ba ko ya won mo sra ban ene won makatua ya akamu no sene ne kine yata won so betumi aye hu bibi esanse nei aban na hye won makete se strike na won mo ko ye no aha de suafo aha wonum papa sanse nei ebe asabo so mani a kire nie ya sita ketena fie no aka wo bia ma de suafo dodo no ano so afa won kuku no mu kaka akwa tena fie eno akwa ya de so ade ababeto won mo so enam sa ya so ntini won mo hwese na ne kine yada enkoda ne nyina betumi aba classroom na afen so adesua no a eya kam ne nyina no won betumi a kire na aboa amasitag ene adesuafo ya won mo suku mu a won mo gentete aba be ya churchfo won maga ne mu no ne nyina da betumi awie mu die Owura Dominic Owusu ne nsemu a won nsantwofo che bi ni.
You know, of course I must admit that this agreement reached has brought a lot of joy to a greater extent because we realize that the staff audit report, specifically the nomenclature spelled out in the staff.
I was on your telling your customer for the Masitag, Dr. Dominic Owusu.
Therefore, Safi no Babeka and Wayeka or says Sompa television, and Yumreka see, and some of Babia will be an Yugusua, ye de a mouse type be no, or drink genoon, so you bet with the Babeka and Wabra, okay, on your social media platforms out on so, Oko Facebook or Sompa 93.1 FM, Sompa 93.1 FM, and a YouTube so a Sompa TV Ghana, Sompa TV Ghana, or drink genoon, so see, or they told to one. Ma yuguso ye beka se no mamono abusafo ye beken kan ede amount se o bono ene na hafu mantem ne mu a o tie nka o Sompa 98.9 FM Sompa 98.9 FM so and asa wo bono east ya Sompa 90.7 so ekutemu e wo honomo and asante mantem ne importam nyina so no Sompa 93.1 FM so ekuremu a be bia wo bia na nwumre ensamporo nsem bigi ye twakre hinke de bo pata brebre se pasoche wo mamuni amanfo nkro so a ejamon petrepene mpatrapa magiatum ene yakeke sie ni a ye de esommo awo kwa so no yento akase no so mamo na yemfamo emfringumasium emfamo enko amanyosem na abato committee de mpedinfo ahyase ne ema abato nguma voters register no a ye de ebeto aba odomfo ya domu a December bosom de toso nso no no wonama ahyase a omo etopete e de ema amanyuko ahodo ni nyina ene MPP NDC CPP PNC afafranto obi a eko no akwaje ne voters register no a Ghana for ibegina so na yakọ abato ngumanemo na yede akwakoto aba no na abato komisa de mpedinfo kire se ne nyina ye se beye na abano agana made hye ye lazy butu na yemiema akwakoto no December bosome ne de toso ensu no mu no amanfo bia bete ne ho ase se emuda ho no mo fan ya yesi yanko chinchimo bia ansa anko ji obia eba abanfiri ne nsam amfa anko so obia de so nti na momo etusa na mo we Dr. Bosman Asare eye penimpa be de kira okọ abato komisan wo mo adwumadie mu a wo hweso samba ka hye nso a be na wotwenie abato komisan mpenimfo amatoto sansa so ebumu a se efi odomfo ya domo a ekina ekono wo mo ebia abato ngumanum voters register ni mo ato no mo o mpesua hodo so wo omamu nyina ya wa wutwiro ude no obekọ na se bia eye swame eye Sompa FM polling station na wutwiro ude a na de waba na waba behwesa mpeniampa Sompa FM polling station no a wutwiro udin e swame abato mpesua so e asantemambu no udin e nkratanim e honum ne ma adane so ne ekwa akoto aba na anko ese bia wo kwa akotini a akwa akope ba bia udin wansa na wakwa akoto aba nti odonfo ya adom a efrichi na ekọ na sa adwumedie no abato komisan mpenimfo hyase edi na sa beye na amedwekwa wodo no pa omo peso omo di omo ni di akire ombete omo ho ase na emu beda ho no mo fan dia ma omo ntino na menne wono ma ahyase a abato ngoma no womo echiche de amedwekwa wodo ni nyina se beye na ne wo political MPP and NDC no beso man nkrofo so mo metena eyesoame Sompa polling station no mehwe sire dwumedie ni esi ekra woni ni padodo a omudin ewa bato ngoma ni mo ewo sa polling station ya nti nipa de ba obehu se nipa somese anaso benten ni di ewa hase ya esefata se abato da ni duru hodmo baba na oba beto no ba na yenko na enne Dr. Bosman Asare enkoma one eye Ghana madehye eboye echeche nsemo ede echira mansan no entie nchema ode maye.
Watch people were they saying they applied to the commission for it? Because as I said in the presentation, the registers are ready. One of the parties has come for it. The others, our team is available to give it to them. So we don't think there is any problem in that regard. And as I stated in the CI, the law allows the commission to make the register available no later than 3 months after the compilation. And we did we finished the main limited registration on May 29th. 3 months after May 29th will be August 28th. And we also did the mop-up. We finished the mop-up 3rd August. So 3 months after, within that 3 months will be, is it November or August, September, October. So the commission is well within the law. But we have strived to ensure that the parties get it in advance. So as I said, the registers are ready. One of the main parties has collected the register. I know the others are around. The team is also giving it to them. I think you mentioned that the commission, somebody said the commission is registering people. I know it's not something you believe. That's why in the conclusion of the presentation, we said, the media, we are urging you to fight against misinformation, disinformation and malinformation. You know, this one can never be true. Anytime the commission is undertaking a registration exercise, we do it with the political parties. So it's not possible. It cannot happen that the commission will register people without the political party. So we expect the media to treat those allegations, for them to even use the word illegality.
I was informed to a Dr. Bosman Asare, or no, and a penny pabedi chira, or share abato hunsen some, a war abato commission woman atana ye, and an ene, or bobon some so a dechen in Tifrineco ya, or masha sea, voters register na batu manoa, ye de ebetwabano, or more a day Emma Amanyukwa Hudonina.
Fabia no yera Bosman Asare at was so at your muse. Wabasra Ghana for pa, say a fiabato no a yabatua. O my morning in any dear children, we are some mansan and so any dimu. And I'm sorry, Suntino, and walk when you say a brand so. Yamayad mo chana one will be able to walk Ghana Nima Pabiada. What to about our main way, be an rest of walk her with ding. Won't find you in Wachinabino. Send you maybe as a son woman as a Donny Womua. What about me? One must tell not what her, not what the Hujuma. Was there a dear Bakwa Bayer ya? Nabayara, one say won't conquer her, brand basson. What about Dini Mobagas or electoral commissioner Wapa and on my media free move? Was a son your man in tea, a party and a young Pempi Nuano, whatever be able to one must say Adamagana de Shenum. And I'm sorry, Suntin, one was a free Yamayad Mawachina, Adequaco September was soon that also and so dear. Gana Nima Pabiada, and was a sadi, or in Hobajim.
Your process never be granted to once about me. I register and I registration Russia and young country parties, not parties inform agents and bra. The name of the whole candidate and not the Muntino. Sunday can say, near my election and near my public kind and great ever back. The events of media and the movement to one more. Sunday one and the young woman and Granamu can feel when he said, the old kind of graveyard. Then I have a minus to get the cost come. Tian come up and then the come. But tell you by the end of Sunday, you can a Punoka Semono. You are chance of Shani, you will try it 20th August, near August 27th. The chance of Papiano for near point where Lucian. Sunday, check one register, no register for 2020, and now to about 2020. 2023 district assembly elections go to Aba and announce register 2023 and a few who now register 2024 limited registration and now pop up crowd. A big answer will come to police station or maybe a door to it. No occurrence and part of you one. The second is said, some person police station also. There was number here over all the networks. Star 711 star 51 hash. What the information about Bania Yabusa said, enter, voter ID number, who enter, a bunch of police station here. So we have some animal from so to high, being a silver exhibition center on the BPR actually. I come.
Afei what was so HHMU short code that was yedidi juma eno waka ho asem na eha ahodo bi ye ho akwakwo hia se ne kire yada Ghana ni bia adne ho jimu.
The commission has also provided a mechanism for registered voters to check their registration details electronically. Registered voters who are unable to visit the exhibition centers to verify their details may dial the short code star 711 star 51 hash. Star 711 hash. No, star 711 star 51 hash. On all networks, the voters' details will pop up to enable them check their details at a fee of 50 pesos. This option will be available during the exhibition exercise and even beyond. However, if the information received from the star 711 star 51 hash contains an error with respect to the details of the voter will be required to go to his or her exhibition center to effect the necessary corrections. The special voters register will also be displayed at all the district offices of the commission.
I was away Dr. Bosman Asari, Electoral Commissioner, Deputy Chairman, and Yendekasa. I was
afraid to swat them about Commissioner and penning for Boban, and now we are imagining Sabato Mana, Betuaba, December Bosman de Tosso, and Sonomade Mamma Yuko, and any of my mope, and I'm a new Kunkumano, Chesomuji, Eko about Commissioner and penning for Boanoa, Ubia, Ebe voters register, and be a city kind, our Machiko, Cosi or Mabuano, Emma Miekia Donko. To chimney duku kosu oma bobo na vise no watesenne omo e de abato ngoma no bema political parties ahodo no eno echa amanyoko nkete no PNC nom wo munyina ene ekwaje omo nkrata ne na manfo ebusa ase yen seda nti wo ma hoboa no eye papa nenso na ebeto odwasa abato komisa ne mpedemfo cheche abato ngoma no e de ama political parties yehu MPP ene yehu NDC nenso omo nkete no a aso omo masusu no wo mo enende omo ababegua no mo sesa mane dia koyi openi Mark Audu National Youth Organizer de ma PNC amanyuku no wona nsemtwefo edi nkomo efa ahoboa omo amanyuku ahodo nketo no wona ma aye edi erafia bato ni mo.
We had a press conference, and in our press conference we said we were coming here this morning to demand the release of the authentic provisional voters register. You all know that per the calendar of the Electoral Commission, tomorrow is set to be the day for the exhibition. On the 14th night, around 8 p.m., they called again that it is not ready, but then we can come back on Friday for it. On Friday, it was also not ready. And we heard them on TV saying it will be ready by Sunday, which is yesterday. We followed up, and it couldn't come. This morning, we are here to demand for it. And as I was telling you, from them, the register is not ready. But we are still demanding for it. And we want the authentic one for that matter. We don't want any compromised provisional register. And tomorrow being the day for the exhibition, political parties who are stakeholders in this process.
Abzanfo we ye ayora Mark Audu a we National Youth Organizer de ma PNC amanyuku no na yete ne nka ntie ne ahoboa momo amanyuku nkuma na eye de erafia abato no mu ene abato ngoma na omani da kwan se na omo nsa beka na obobo ho nsam so de akire kakra no.
Oma Ghana dwumako ba ko ya Ghana mamrama ho kwan se eba na bato mu nsansam a wo mo hwasa ne be ya bambo mu nsem gina so fitina hyase kwapem na wieye ayo post adwumako no na post mpemasi edu Dr. George Akufu Dampare ana wone post adwumako no ni electoral commission ahia ya won mo so adwene won kramantamu na adwenso so ne mu anu no de bato dwa akere se wo basra pa afia bato no ye mananya asomdwie na obibia da wo de mra ba hye won sam titiri Ghana ni mapa na wo ba wase oman ne mra no babusuo kwa pagya balo boss obewie kire kwa hwehwe nkrofo asom ane ade de nyade aposa adwumako no wo betwe ma wokra wase mra wo mayimu esa kwa baso obeya wade a ensem fata na wo mpa wase posi ni ya wo ba wo no beyi na sutire na wo de mra aye adwuma anya sa pa de na wo de mra hye wo nsam a posa adwumako no so wo ba de se fata
some call the stakeholders, the political parties, the EC, my colleagues at all the security agencies, civil society organizations, and all other stakeholders, especially also the media, the role that they are playing, they have played so far and they will continue to play to ensure that this exercise becomes a success. Going forward, in terms of the voter register exhibition that we are working on starting from tomorrow, we want to give the assurance that across the 38,622 polling stations, we are deploying at all the places, and we have rapid response team to go and also manage any situation with de-escalation mindset, so that at the end of the day, with the 7 to 8 days exercise that we are going to have, it will be successful, it will be peaceful, and it will add something positive.
I was on a turn and carry a my Ghana post Mercy do Dr. George Akufu Dampare.
Yeah, the more if about commission and penning for Bobo near the Marco MPP Amanukuno Swatana, ye Nenra dear, or Sunuko MPP Amanukuno Mojo May, a cantan so a jebosoa, na enyasem ketwani na say or more 18 mo po, or mon susu ye, and it or madwene a, or mo wo ede emo meye, afi abatwa ye kwakoto ne, in see a dear, no more done a day, a day atraman sign. Ene eye omamuni nyina anonti watakrade abonte so no na se woni nsase ye catch the war na Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia odi MPP amanyuku nanim akwa mampani adwa no ejina simpie so ne oman ne din komo kakra ebobo ne nisu ade hunu ne tirimopo ene ne nsusu a owo edemo mayi so de kire eye omayi mo ade hye na ne nkomo bomu no ena ochese one ne boss mampani na nadu dan kwa Akufu ado wachima PSC be maboada omayi bi pa wono mo aye bia nchirima ebadachi bie yebebo mampani na nadu dan kwa Akufu ado din na yamano mo piafo wose eba adwuma pa se mrante ne maba wo be wie suku na ombenya adwuma ye no a wose mampani na nadu dan kwa Akufu ado be ma be ye bi wa anye ni nyina de ne nso beka se wo ma aye bia ne sa wose se won ha ne ni no aka je se mrante ne maba wa be 2.3 million ene free mra mampani na nadu dan kwa Akufu ado so afonam so aye wo Independence Square 2017 no e de besi na wo boabo no ho no akọ pension mrante ne maba wa be 2.3 million ena omo enam ne nhihye papa so enye adwuma aya ene omudidi esankwan ebonso gusu kesu iyo kasingansani ene wade Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne nsem obobo so ewo eye takrade abonte so enra kakra eni.
And the economy is firmly on the path of recovery with have rightly stated that Ghana has turned the corner, but we know that for many families, the cost of living is still very high. The hardship is real, and we commit to doing more to relieve the difficulties Ghanaians are facing. We are equally committed to creating more job opportunities that will significantly reduce youth unemployment among the national population that has increased over 5 million in the last 8 years alone. We have created so far 2.3 million jobs, the most of any government in the Fourth Republic. But youth unemployment remains a major concern, and that confronts us. And we are committed to doing even more. This is why, ladies and gentlemen, it is better to continue with a party that has created more jobs than any other in the Fourth Republic than go back to a party and a leader who, after 4 years of doom so, created more unemployment than any government in the Fourth Republic. Ghana needs bold solutions.
Abuzianfo nti reme da ni ranwa seno Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene odi MPP amanyuku ne ma kwakọ prema mpani adwa afia batoɔ no e December bosome de toso enso no mu ena na obobo enema so no se mampani na nadu dan kwaku fodo de waye mranche ne mabawa enam ne nsaso na nhihye papa so nya adwuma ye no ebro chese obia mampani bia yenya no so yegitum se de democracy be ye adwuma yi mampani bia wa ba bia no ye mampani akufo ado aye no esen wono enyina de
Awala pass new market here no work akwe north about 20 so wan kramantamu ana Professor Jena no pokwa jemaye oya Frank Tunia be de eche ademaye Rajon Dramani Mahama wono so de nto abo enamo na wone maye wo nom ekwa akohia eno ba be kirem se Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wo bisa no se de ule mu mpaboa ba no wampa bi ansha eni onkoto bi pa no hwese na esitie woni ni lemu wo mo sra ne pa na mo mama ye mata ho ama NDC amanyoko no bosha won ma hye so mba ya maganafo no wono so mfa no ma forefore mu ena no wada NPP fo nko lanche wo manifesto a Yero Bawumia ko kire mu se Women's Development Bank nyame ya dom no so betena konya so a wo bebia bi se ne be na ma ebenya bosia ne ade no wo jese hwe sa asem NDC amanyoko na kadada edinya afa na wo so ba kana rekura wonim ya anka wo te akonya so enu wa ya maganafo nyina hunu sa no kwa wona wote so waye edi so batena so na wo se ye ne mpre no so a na anya nwanwa na ade a wote so de eside na wo san so babie mu a na ba ya maganafo ehun bie ebra Professor Jena no pokwa jema no wakasa no ansam de obro so pa Jena na opokwa jiman wono ya Frank Tunia be de eche de maye Rajon Dramani Mahama anana ya hasane ne no yebenya adiama we na eno achi no wakaikwe north ma sabajani anasempo member ya wo okaikwe north abato mpeso so won manya for Theresa Ladi awuni won so ade adesrade to NDC agitafo ni nyina enim so obasrada afia abato no bibia dan hwa so obekwa akoto na Yero John Dramani Mahama ni NDC amanyoko no edi nkunim
abesi ase hono se ho techema eno ene yefa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ose ka wo se dwe wo sirem woje ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Afuye na sadru hobi mu eti wo dwedwe fertilizer afiwe ubayusu ana esan se afra se fertilizer wo to ye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nso do so e ma boka ane atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ajuo emo ane atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omoso edo legumes ebiti say soya beans, peanuts and beans omoso enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton yayo nyoma e wo man Ghana mu a enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yegina homa Ghana ene Africa biayo
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwawunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ya brakasa powder siesi nipadua na baako ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni sushie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe san kratoe mu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afeina mebeko menkrata krani
hey eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otedidi musa no
oh Express Group adarumenti akwento ayefo opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany say a to ana se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia and Germany mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Akwa Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout wa Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light Tema Omo Community 18 Lashebi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Oja sum kron moja.
Yay! Edo PMO. Food for thought Onishi, Omaini Yawadubuachi, Onyame Akuwa, Ofremunina, Se Agesti, Onyame appointment. Asamo Ayakasa, or say, there hits. What if we assume for some? It's yet you know what you mumi and Sana David in your yet you watch back. Ni moved to Jubilee Park, Kumase, and Opanusia Pepe, not your obey any. What if a plain paper and a plain sheet? Nienu, Diaunina, Jogubakoso, Nasadam, Wope put your Frumedia in Yash and Waku account, and Yama Papa Opus Siwa Brabo, and also Tron was so shining so a candle, a quantre, Nava candle, Bako count, Nanona your best song, Yadia Pompai, Liberty Conference, August edition, the hits, Yapapompai, Yapapom, now when Yamibet, yes, Nipoin is so, or mine, I would do watching, now who fed ye, Ebea Mimadi, Ajum to Phone, or Raka could just Minister Kwame Jedu, Minister Kofi Pepra, one on a bet suchon, and what can quite say hits, August 31st. Property Prampa or Board Poco, Calvary Pema Kukodrufo, dear friend is that what Sir Domino, Pet Kenyan, who Yabekaya Tamfo, oh glory, hallelujah.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Adam was a market your pump at 21st clinic in a account for Diama was one more a sciatica expert, Papa. Waba Kumase and never from one. 21st clinic, one much baby. Now, Sabre cried the idea no a Europe tour. Now, sciatica, dear no, yes, if you were to a sentinel, no action what about Namro Muno. And only a kind of sciatica no. Yes, South Africa tour, ya drew so. Door to door, ye rubber beer, me fear, who to mu. Shall see a nebuki appointment, Sonia Baya. I drew on my bet to me wedding combo, or Siatica, the any Bahania Panapuma Sibra Diama war. 0244 915 116 0244 915 116 through a herbal center where the 3 o'clock capsules Saba a cocoa master drew. Usisi ade okoko no wayam timo no etwase ma ho sa sano ye papa enti kokol na kebai dan heba mistini epidank mema no we titiro ne ahyankafo ya motena se che sisie ne no na ade ye adwuma no soso na da ati hoyi wese obenya 3 o'clock capsules no pay bi no wano no mo 0546 107107 0546 107107 Mizo and a 5G drink no dia ahwodin ewomu na branches no dos one more magia one so etu koton no enyasem ketoma manager Daniel 21st clinic ubenya bia to Ocean overseas be kind supermarket ewo abawa post office one mo anomanye mama Esther ewo Baptist University buakwa and afe PNC Ventures one so one man taxi station was obenya biato na atumi abowo Liberty Conference August edition nie 31st August to and eba so ya hye nso an opano nsia na ya hyase o Jubilee Park yase bra na so bebom paye na ye de afra somafo ngoma eti aduonu nwotwe mu aya miensa afe nyom aduowotwe baako ani eduno ho ne ye de afri wose the hits eno ne asɛmti ye da so enti dano de ampayi a edwapa ora kofi pepra wo babi afe ye rakwaku jesi wo ba behu nnwuma to nnwuma ma sorabofo won ma sane aba fam minister Kwame Jedu nso ka ho bi papa ya sada no de wo man ne yodu boache your man in the morning wo no anahwe na watoto ne mama nwosra asie 31st August 20 ya no hye no so ade amaye afe express group nie wose wade wo to kwan he na opese okosua de okoye adwuma scholarship bi ena wonsa aka ticketing to holidays express o Canada US UK Australia New Zealand Germany de wokọ ama ho tumi atọ Kumasi was of labor run about and crying ya wo kana first light 0249 00 0448 0249 00 0448
for yento akase no so emfa emmamo na yekwa anim ewo kase ni mu no pani kwanchefo a Wada Peasant Farmers Association of Ghana no Yera Bismarck Ousu ena ababeto gase yesi nsuo to a eto Kumase ene yeni ayewa na afofo mase no ukosrem ene miambia binom wo bono mantem ne mo ene eye flamantem a nso no entimi ntosa saa miambia ya yeka ho asemi ososo ene yekua dodo no a ekobasa na sejamia mfa kwam na kofa fiche kakra bia na ekwakofa kom ene de ababe pia omayemo eno ntiadam so opani Bismarck Owusu a oye pani kwanche for the Peasant Farmers Association of Ghana no ene Sompa FM ne Sompa TV nsempefo di nkomo echichiremu insusanso a sade we betimenya ewo omayemo so
Planting in this year, that in transformation shows a Bibiano, the year is so tall, and your number begin Ghana, Osha Ghana, every Afibia in a good kind of piano, this is because of the what I'm very sure that the solution, a good bear so far, a 2 year now I feel it's a sound expectation, now a community, down 42, I can say, about that because over the past few months, only a year reports issue numbers so across the country. All reports now boys but it goes beyond the northern part of the country. If share part of Delta region, region, we know also the also in Sini in Guarana. Now report the just issue. I say it's really also for the past 1 month and 2 months, every issue at all as I said. Any idea how the green might look because we share Ghana areas now and you can buy a free middle belt areas now completely free. That's the difference about the food basket of the country. A lot of production happens. It is a period it's really good weather. Now you know production from areas there's a idea how it's a situation is not looking good. Now we are familiar with the country. I'm going to come and try a year in and South now we are moved by an to do pollution and gas cancer. But to quality now, I'm not fascinated. And so, you know, the tar, I don't have to so I don't really need to shouldn't talk to each other apart from the fact that we are having a lot of costs now because we shouldn't talk. We saw as I said that I'm to get you also. We call as I said, cops will only be states here. Now, can somebody do so it's not a more come but we should see across the states now. We should talk to our which means we have it's a idea how do Ghana in the next few months you're getting some work. I'm not going to be a Catholic now the Yama could be a chef I don't know and so on because it is not we share a good ministry now. I think we know the first point of call.
For Penny Bismarck Owusu ni yetene nke wana penny kwanche for the Peasant Farmers Association of Ghana kunanwo na enu achire susu no wode kakra esoso se bebi enwiase enyini ababedro ene anibie yakwa ababedro setelia ama Ghana minu mienu Ghana de eni da so nyina ene nsu ebeto egu ye nobae so ama no asode ama yese nsu anto a na kese ye kwakubuada oso odwene ho awontiase se be bia nanim de ye nya ababedri o maye guso a ede ani eto nsu so se Nyankopon tonso a yentimi enua nobae eno nti yebuada.
And there's no country in the world that online on issue so family kujuma. Every serious country there and so they put in place enough irrigation mechanism for any time in some people and look now but among Ghana and Kwad, when say we know your question was on see the Yamuka, Yakupiska, Yakufisika, you are put the move so that's the major issue every apparently women's the only message we can do is to encourage our families say about a information about them. So yeah, we could do a different varieties. There are short duration.
I'm so fun to weigh a Bismarck Owusu on a penny kwanche for the Peasant Farmers Association of Ghana kunanwo.
Social Security and National Insurance Trust Senate Jumakono one more power dear friend sir digital bouquet want to ma ewa elmi na fifi mantemu where are dear from Koya or de baba boa sani abaya enuanomoa wamudu omusika akwakogu Senate no betumi aboa na one mo watumi ha one mo ewa nuama baako mienu bi ho na digital na Director General ya o Senate Yoroko Fisa Fomafo one some trofo akasai echechin sempi na mudiche.
Benjuma, and as we Juma company, and yet it's all slits near the Betia. The air says snits me, a woman, one Casa, we were Juma, with me to be after minimum qualifying period, and I say you do 15 years. Now retirement to do it. It meets your pension. It's informal sector workers, so we are carpenter, so we are plumber, we are architects, so we are business. Near Patra and say, to sit and be now retire when you did that. And then as a man snits mobile wiki, you did two workers in any. Say snits and yet for a bedroom phone, and your mom will more companies. So why we are one son with me, and answer why we your business be. Share the folks can be took from me.
And watching Ora Nicholas Okowa, Deputy Director in charge of administration, Regional Coordinating Council, no one so Kasaka editor.
Now aware, SNIT has never defaulted in paying pensions over the period. Most of us trust that maybe when we are older, our children may take care of us, but that has not been the case always. We have the opportunity now to secure our own future with the support of SNIT. Our brothers and sisters in the formal sector contribute, and for that matter, enjoy their monthly pension at old age. Let us also enroll today and benefit same. Ladies and gentlemen, we have heard a lot from SNIT today, and I don't want to bore you with so many things. My pieces of advice is that to SNIT, I wish that you engage the media, you use the community information centers through jingle playing and others, and make sure that as many informal sectors as possible get to know about your programs and get enrolled.
Ora Nicholas Okowa, Deputy Director in charge of administration, Regional Coordinating Council, Finfi Mantem. I was on 4 years to us on the informal Congress, and ye money in Yanamo, or more away senior high schools are who do no more eshase, na or more actual or more wasi, and so when we a West Africa Examination Council penning for and a decrata ababetuja say and ne August Bosomini de Tosu Dunkuni and na Yenuanum Kumanoa or more away senior high schools are who do no muna eshase na or more actual more wasi exams no na or masha see any no HSA and Colano and Pimpimachim Pimpim and na or more ede practicals and some ashasi any visual arts no and I just say omo ede shasi na omo SSC afi and kwada 460,611 460,611 and a tron so no and mema ye 212,954 212,954 and a ye mema and a mass so a 247,657 247,657 ma and a etron so no sukusua in so way a Jim J no modo mo Jim e church no e bro apem e wo mayi ni introdu ene ni ntuasa so eno echi omo sesia center hodo a omo ebetron so hwene bia eno so ekeka e de kwa apem ane sa ene dey je say oh my Ghana e bia bebia ankola na hyase e chro enso hwene bie na why campaign for chere so omo de kokobo eko e de ama schools ni binom ene campaign for headmasters no a omo edada schools ni bia no omo e prime no omo nsusuye ene omo pobia omo aboso omo de bewia eye enso hwene mu no why campaign for so mahu atede dada omo so omo ate se schools ni bia hyase a enkola no omo kwa akotro nso we no omo agb no musika yeso omo je akola bia 200 Ghana cedis ebi wo no so kra no a ye GB no 500 Ghana cedis connect to no 5 million adeya omuchia se sika no a na ne impedimfo no ni school nkwala no a chese teacher fo na be ba be hwe omo so no omo atimi agina so de ama wo mo no omo aboa nkwala no ama mo atimi atwa nso hwe no eno acheso so no omo atese headmasters ni bi no ma yo madwene se ne ye be English language a ho nso hwe a achechefo no omo kire English no
omo no do omo beko na ne kwesi broni kan se omo akwakoye vigilators na je se invigilation no sa chechefo no a omo ekire subject no a ye twro ehon sohwe no omo na schools ni bia ye omo adwene so omo do omo beko no omo akwakoye eye invigilation no why campaign for se eno so omo ate na sa schools ni nyina so no omo atwro omo din egu hono a omo ebesoma nipa akwakotete hono no omo akwakohwe de ewo se omo eye na eno ache so no omo ate se headmasters ni bi so ena montrekese ene frakadam kwan so age enkwala ni binom akwala ni nko school ho onima akwala de baabia nso age akwala no a register no e school hono mo a akwala na ba betina school mo hono mo na ba be kyro sa nso hwe no wo mo sini nyina so no wo mate sa headmasters ni head teachers no a wo mo aye sa de no so no wo ma twotworo mu nyina di agu hono mo a ebre ne so a asotwi mu odin wo mo edibema wunum openi John Kapia ohwani amansa di nkomo ema West Africa Examination Council waye ke kire se emwa bia ne hihye bia na wo se waye campaign fo di agu akwam no wo mo edi agu akwam de wo so ye bia so no wo mo aya omo ehwe ni mu se sore ne nenkwala no ahyase no omo ebe hyase nkunimdie kwan so na de o hyenwuma paase a wo de ekwawiye pa no obeka omo ho na omotimi ede nsore no so akọ awiye papa
ye kwa wanchi zongo na amanoboya yansa ka kire se menteme wase bi akoso ewo mabunu no bi ane adehia ewo nkonsia entem amaya kasai nipa ba ko anamso atinananom ewo nsieto ye ne owura ayaba adamu ekasai ema wo cheche mu se enano kwasia da ye enrada ye twa mu ye na emabunu bi ye wo nkonsia wonom eja mu twi papia eje wonmani ena wo mu se emrante kwan bi aba bebo awuram na se no msi bi bawura mu no na se wo hsu se won ba wiewia won mo fon so ne ade eno na kan obi ma mentem ase kwoso a enipa ba ko ati nananom awonse do na foforo bi enso eprepra pa na ebra owura ya ba adamu won nsentrofo ekasa ye no sei na nsem no ocheche mu ne fai
ndra na je ko nkunsia jam na mo se agado night ene ina ko simi john ma mi se me junso ti junso mu na bo bi hwim me phone film so ti me jaha mo se gba na kroso okroso ka kwan no na me shatu ye se gba na di mi phone na ko no ti me di mi ka di na chi ona di mi wura man tambem ti ba bia me ko chi no sa ne fia ti mi so no ma no ti am se mo di mi obi be ku mi o ti am am pie ba yi na mama nchire masim mo dua na mo shaase no mo di ndua bo me mo bomia mama ye mere asala me nyam mo dwane ko ka kwa no so na me microphone no say amaji mi phone na ma shaye mi say dia mo so nti ase ti am follow e ti follow ni mu na mo de sika wo minia Ala Hassan
chini yana nurses officer ba ko akasai ora Anthony won so ne nsem a wokan yi ni
majuma yefo ni bi na omo ha eno anajo ba me ba no pai no me beteki afro omo ba me ba mo ka che me se menti ase bi ko so wo nkonsia eno amunya ntakwa bi between wanchi na nkonsia o be duru ha be 5:30 am ahomachi ohwe ntakwa ni mu a mo stable baako a 21 year old Alasa Mohammed ohwa na moja etunu na nurse for no intervention ba edikan no mo dikai ko kwase health center na mo so fi adena bro mo so no mo di ba wenchi methodist asei yo bedru ye no na mo nurse for no so gina mo so sa na ba ko no mo wo no se kan e wo na chi ni na ni mu nyina ebo so hwana moja etunu sa na mo di bedru ha nurse for gina no so na doctor for ihwemu a mwantima anya no nti one de wa hwere ni nkwa ba na omo ye nipa miensa nti ye wo Yakubu Adamu Ayuba Adamu no sorry Ayuba Adamu honestly a 21 year old young man na oka omo ho ntakwane siye no ti ono so no na o say na ma bono manako kuma na ono so sustain o si pain e won hip nti ono so ye hwe na amane ndura na ye de to hwe anopa yi ono so ne ho ye na ya mana kotwa photo
I was away, I was 7 years SCA, I went cheek when we are general so. Na than something in our SC, I said, I called your Marcos Yasumwa. Cocoa Veronica Jando, ya Grace, and Boozy. Yes, so about a second kind, my son for Penura Santiago Benedict, a semu. I am me. I'll cost 3 years, a walk with dear Boatin, many.